Compared with the traditional building, smart building demonstrates its differentiating capabilities to constantly evolve to be green, healthy, and energy-saving with high-efficient operations. By optimizing the structure, system, service, and management of the whole building, smart building solutions can deliver a comfortable, safe, convenient, and low-carbon user experience for every resident, employee, visitor, and operations staff. The emergence and rapid development of IoT and big data technologies further enable the structured and sustainable development of smart buildings. As a global IoT development platform service provider, Tuya Smart is committed to making life smarter. Based on its cloud-based IoT platform, Tuya launched Smart Building Solutions. Tuya Building focuses on people, building, and operations through the proper combination and optimization of thermal comfort, lighting, air quality, and other control policies to provide users with sustainable green building solutions. Unlike traditional intelligent systems that operate independently in buildings, subsystems of Tuya Building can operate independently or in linkage, facilitating a full range of smart scenarios. The parking management system can automatically and effectively identify vehicles, delivering a safe, convenient, and smooth experience for parking. Door access control system facilitates access and attendance management through identity verification and linkage of visitor and elevator control systems, providing multidimensional management analysis for decision-making. Based on the characteristics of different spaces, scenarios, and user needs, the smart lighting system enables sensor-based automated control of lights and visualized management to create comfortable and healthy lighting for the building. Automation systems in the building, such as air conditioning units, water supply and sewage systems, and cold and heat source equipment, can be activated and run automatically. Smart Building Control also supports the automatic environment adjustment for a designated area to make it a comfortable space through present scenes or linkage of access control, lighting, and other subsystem devices. Tuya Building provides various accurate energy consumption statistics such as single device, area, sub-entry consumption statistics, carbon emissions, footprints, and energy consumption ranking to optimize energy-saving strategy in buildings. With applications built on standard subsystems, Tuya also provides various customized solutions such as smart meeting rooms and smart workstations to meet customer needs. Present scenes and one-click configuration templates can greatly reduce the implementation time of smart building system. As the control hub of the building, Tuya Building creates an ideal interconnected ecosystem. Multi-dimensional dynamic adjustment and cross-system linkage based on various factors such as time, illumination, foot traffic, and air quality creates most comfortable indoor environment. Facility whole lifetime management and preventative maintenance with a full-link, one-click service flow improve building operations efficiency and reduce the after-sales costs. Highly flexible customization and on-demand deployment of modular system application supports rapidly cater to customer needs. Customer-centric and continuous iteration and open strategy supports partners to gain the smart business of comprehensive control of building and sustainable building operations. Tuya Building enables smart building, green building, and well building.